Let's see how to insert word art in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as we can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to add a certain flair to our document, and we can do that by inserting word art. So what we can do is first highlight the text that we want to turn or add word art into. Let's say want to turn this one into word art. Now let's head on over to the Insert tab and just simply look for word art under the text group, which is this one right here. And when you click it, you will see the entirety of options that you have to add to your selected text. And simply select the design that you want to add. Let's say you want to add this one with a little bit of reflection. And as you can see, we now have our text turned into word art. You can also select or edit the text that you have by editing it under word art styles under shape format when you've added your word art. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.